Guys, welcome to day 4. We are making our Italian scenes. We already did our passports. We made our Italian wolf. We did our letterboard. We made pizza. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
So today we're gonna make our scene. So dump everything out, kind of organize it a little bit. This is a kind of a two-part. There's lots to see in Italy. So you have kind of two backgrounds. Okay, we'll come back to that. Then we have our Colosseum,
which is in Rome.
In Rome. And then we have our Leaning Tower of Pisa, which was on our letterboards, I believe. It was also on your facts. Where is this one?
It's actually in a city called Pisa.
Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Yes.
In Pisa.
Makes sense to me.
Don't forget it. And where was the pizza?
Naples.
All right. You have some blocks. These are kind of custom outfits. Does everybody dress like this? No. This is more traditional.
Yeah.
Italian
Garb wear. Yeah,
wear.
exactly. Yeah.
You might see them when they are in Venice going down the canals. This famous bridge.
It's called the Rialto Bridge, and it's actually really big because people walk on it over the canals.
Lots of shops.
Yep.
Very famous bridge. Lots of bridges. I think there's like 8 at least famous ones. So lots to do in Venice. That is actually on my list. I would love to go down the canal in what is this called, Miss Rachel?
Gondola.
Gondola. They were probably dressed similar to this just because it is kind of
Traditional.
touristy.
Yeah, exactly.
And,
yeah, that's what they kind of
so
expect.
you probably
yeah.
will see them dressed like that. Giving you a little ride. All right. So first thing let's do is let's put these back to back. Okay. Make sure that the green is on the bottom and the ocean waves are on the bottom here. It's not an ocean, it's a canal.
Canal, yeah.
Canal. But it's water. It's
Exactly. Still got to be in the bottom.
So. All right. So once you have them lined up, just fold one side down and then give it some glue all on this one side. That way it'll stick together and our scene can be two-sided. Because why one-sided when you can make two-sided?
That's right. We need a tour of Italy, so we need the whole thing.
It's funny. Like if you go to Carrabba's or Olive Garden in America here, we can get the tour of Italy food, which usually consists of chicken parm, spaghetti.
Exactly.
Not really my tour of Italy that I would like, but all right. I do love some Italian food. All right, so you see we have it double-sided. What should we do first? What side do you want to do first?
Let's do the side with the Leaning Tower of Pisa first.
Okay, so would we have it on this side?
No, it's not coming out of the water. No.
All right, we have a little kickstand over here. So this side is gonna be Pisa, all right? So line it up and you're gonna put glue on this bottom little flap and just a little bit up here, okay? Just enough for it to stick. All right, so glue down there and just a little bit. And then reline it back up so that the green is down and your tower should be leaning. Is it leaning?
It is definitely leaning.
Okay, very cool. All right, so Leaning Tower of Pisa in
Pisa.
Okay, and then just a little bit of ways,
Hop, skip, and a jump.
we're gonna go to Rome. And if you look, it has 2 little flaps, okay? You're gonna wanna just kind of bend this because it's actually a little rounded, okay? And then you're gonna wanna put glue just on these flaps and we're gonna glue them on so that it, of course, is 3D again and pops out just a little bit. So, pull it off, glue just on those tabs. And then I'm gonna put one right on the edge here. And then I'm gonna push this one over. Remember, I'm doing this upside down. So.
That's right, yep.
All right, get this one on there. All right, there we go. What do you think?
Looks awesome.
Okay. Let's see. We have a bird and we have a sun. We can put it on this side. We can put it on this side. That is really up to you. I just kind of gave you a couple extra things. I think I'm going to put it on this side just because we do have some clouds on this side. So let's put the sun. And again, anywhere you want, make it yours. I'm actually going to stick mine up a little bit. And then maybe I'll save my bird for the other side, I think. All right. Then we have, let's say, we have our little people here. So let's put them on our cubes. All right. She looks so pretty in her little dress. All right, so then we can have them kind of checking out the sights over here. He's like, hey, look at the Colosseum here. She's like, ooh, let's go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa next. All right, so once you have this side done, our 2 cities, we're gonna flip it around. All right, and we are going to add our bridge, okay? Again, I'm going to push it so it sticks out just a little bit. So I'm just gonna glue the edges. And then, I can't see. I'm gonna push it on. And then I'm gonna push this side on so it sticks out. Oh, I still want to be there. All right. We have our bird. It's flying above us, up in the clouds. Good?
Yes.
All right. And the last thing we need to do is we need to get our gondola ready. So, put some glue on your cube. Stick it on there. And you are ready for your little gondola ride.
So adorable. I would love that. I would love to do that one day.
I would totally love it. Can you imagine them singing? And
Just amazing.
I can't wait. I say I can't wait because I will go one day.
Yes.
I will.
It's on the list. Let's do it.
It is on my list, and I one day I will get over there. But all right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed our little scene. I think it's super cute. So. 3 cities, right?
That's right.
All right. That is all I have for you guys today. I'll see you tomorrow.